Do you want to revisit the glory days of that hot rod or antique car that has been sitting in the garage for many years, and you need the tools and knowledge? Or do you want to go into a rewarding career doing collision repair work? At Surry Community College, you can fulfill your dream of restoration by taking Autobody classes and working alongside other students who have the same passion you do. While being guided by our expert instructors, we will teach you how to handle everything from minor scratches to total disassembly and repair. Surry Community College offers a wide range of opportunities for students who want to learn collision repair and restoration. You can sign up for a hobby class that is offered year-round for personal enrichment to restore and refurbish your own vehicle. Students who want to pursue a career in Autobody can earn the Autobody Technician Workforce Certificate that consists of 5 classes covering painting, refinishing, non-structural and structural damage, plastics and adhesives, along with an introduction to transportation technologies. These classes are offered each fall and spring semester. Day and evening options are available. You'll experience hands-on learning in our Autobody classes that immerse students in real-world repair situations, equipping them with practical skills they can apply immediately in a hobby or career. Whether you're new to the field or a seasoned pro, our courses cater to learners of all levels. From assessing painting and refinishing to repairing structural damage and automotive detailing, our skill-specific classes cover all aspects of collision repair. By the end of the program, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the field and be ready to tackle entry-level positions in the automotive collision repair industry or fix up that dream vehicle of yours. Many of our courses offer the opportunity to earn valuable top industry iCar credits, enhancing your credentials and helping you stand out in the competitive job market. Autobody students will have the opportunity to successfully complete up to 24 iCar modules during their course of study as a part of the Autobody Technician Workforce Certificate. High school juniors and seniors can take Autobody classes, tuition-free, through the dual enrollment program, Career and College Promise. High school students should seek assistance from their high school counselors to register for classes. With low tuition rates and no residency requirements, our Autobody Workforce Certificate program offers accessible training for students of all backgrounds. Students pay the same low-cost tuition rate, no matter where they live. Don't wait to pursue your passion for collision repair and restoration. Enroll in our program today and take the first step towards a rewarding career in this dynamic field. Unlock endless earning potential and build a brighter future with the skills you will acquire.